2020 Toyota Corolla LE, one-stop auto sales in Macon, Georgia, 2838 Gray Highway, 478-741-8009. Once again, a 2020 burgundy red with light gray interior, 84,000 miles, one-stop auto sales. All you have to do is give us a call, 478-741-8009, or you can even visit us on the web, www.stopAutoSale.com. Also, anyone out there that's looking to obtain financing through us, that's also where you can, that's a great starting point for you as well. Once again, 2020 Toyota Corolla LE, light gray interior. I'm about to give you a little glimpse of the interior for you. Really nice car here, folks. So 2020 with 84,000 miles. Backup camera. I think that's about a 7 or 8 inch screen. You got the Intune app suite from Toyota. Go ahead and wrap this up. Give you a quick shot of the back seat. Once again, folks, we are extremely easy to deal with. We're an independent store. You can get the same deals and same financing that you can get at a big franchise store right here at One Stop Auto Sales. We're located in Macon, Georgia. We are minutes from everywhere in Middle Georgia. Once again, One Stop Auto Sales, 2838 Gray Highway, Macon, Georgia, 478-741-8009.